In this training module, you'll be learning how to drive a BR Class 323 electric multiple unit. During this brief introduction, you'll be taken through the critical driving controls and performing passenger operations. When you're ready, climb aboard. Take a seat in the driver's position. For this introduction, you'll be completing a full loop of the circuit and performing passenger operations when you reach the next stop. Let's prepare the train for departure. To unlock the control desk, you will need to insert the master key. The reverser is used to determine the direction of travel. Set the headlights for normal operation. This will let others around you know that this train is operational. To begin loading passengers, you'll need to open the passenger doors. It's time to depart. Close the passenger doors. To get the train moving, apply some power using the combined power brake handle. Coasting is a method used to efficiently maintain speed. Keeping to speed limits is important. If you begin overspeeding, apply a small amount of braking force by moving the power handle into the braking range. These electric multiple units were first built in 1992 by Hunslet Transportation Projects and Holek. The class first entered active service in 1994 and were designed to operate around Birmingham and Manchester. The 323 class were amongst the last trains to enter service with British Rail before its privatisation in the mid-1990s. A total of 43 sets were built, with construction ending in 1995. Today, all of the sets built still remain in operation, with 26 being owned by West Midlands Trains and 17 being operated by Northern Trains. This class has a maximum power output of over 1500 kilowatts and has a top speed of 90 miles per hour. You're approaching the station. Let's prepare the train to slow down. Now that the train has stopped, you can open the passenger doors. Good work. That concludes all the basics of operating this locomotive.